We are here today to celebrate the wedding of Emma and Shannon.
Shannon, you now have my blessing to adopt a golden retriever, a cat immediately, because I would like a furry godchild ASAP. So get on that.
Today is the day we have long waited for, and I am beyond excited in a few short hours to officially become your hubby.
Shan, to think 5 years ago we met and I kicked your butt in mini golf.
I love you so much, baby, and I just want you to know that I will always be by your side through ups and downs because you're the one that truly makes my life perfect.
Today starts the rest of our lives together, and I wouldn't want to go through life with anyone else.
You are truly an amazing woman, and I am beyond lucky to be the one marrying you today.
I cannot wait to see you at the end of the aisle. I love you so much. Love, your soon-to-be wife.
I love you so much, soon-to-be wifey, and cannot wait to finally be married to you.
Hey. Oh my God. I love you too.
Where do I begin? You are the greatest person, human, and woman I've ever met.
Shannon, when I think of home, I think of you. Okay, just give me a minute.
You are my entire world, my everything, my lover, and most importantly, my best friend.
I forever vow to love you with all of my heart for the rest of our lives, and I vow to be the best wife I can be.
Take care of her, keep her safe, and love her as much as I do.
You may now kiss for the first time as a married couple.